Hey guys, Balint here, and I have fantastic news for you. Facebook just rolled out with Messenger Platform 2.3, and what it means for you is marketer's dream come true in a way, in terms of Messenger marketing for sure, because let me just scroll down and you can see it on my screen. Ready? Ta-da! Facebook auto-populates the email address for the user, so they don't have to type their email addresses. That means you can carry on the conversation, ask for their email addresses, which is provided by Facebook itself, and they don't have to type anything. They can just click on and have this frictionless, very nice conversation with your bot. And it's just a better user experience. They don't have to fill anything. You know their names, you know their email addresses, you know their time zone, and yeah, I'm just super excited to have this addition. So here again, it's also for phone numbers, but I only deal with email addresses. Basically, Facebook auto-populates in this so-called quick reply, so they can just hit the button and their email addresses is added. So what I want to do now is to showcase this for you. So let me just go up here. I prepared a little flow, which I have a live event coming up in a bit. So I have the link prepared, and as you can see, it's a reference link, or we can say that it's a deep link. Which means that it points to a certain part of the messenger, like it would be on a blog post pointing to a certain part, and it skips the welcome message in a way. So if I just hit enter, I will be redirected to that message directly. And you can set up as many links as you want, and I usually set up for every live event I do, every little course or content I want to give out, and people can join in the messenger with this information, and I know that about them. So everyone who uses this link, and I'm going to share this link with you, can see live this webinar live training funnel. And what it does, sorry, my internet is a little bit slow here now, is that basically gives you this information about the user. So you have this pre-history with the user, and you can carry on the conversation from that point on. So it's just another thing that you can use with messenger marketing to showcase these things. All right, so it's loading very slowly. I'm not sure what's going on. I'm going to cut this part out probably. Now it's loading, okay. That's weird. Anyways, what I want to do is I want to show you the flow which I have for this live event on the 8th of March. And now I hit the button, click get started here. And skipping the welcome message, I'm going to get straight to the invitation part of this live event. So it assumes we have this little prehistory, like this video now, because I'm going to talk about this live event now. And as you can see, it's already just saying finish your registration. And what I want to say here is that what you can do is offer them to update their email address. So they don't have to click on here necessarily, because probably it's a different email address that they want to sign up with for your whatever you offer. So if I type my I don't know, like test at gmail.com, then if I hit enter now, this email will be added, and we can prove like how correct this email address is. But if they give away a fake email address, we can't really control that. But on the other hand, you don't really want to have people on your list who are not ready just to drop their holy email address, right? So if I just click on the button, it sends this reply, and the bot answers. I add a little bit of time delay here, so make it a little bit more human-like. And I already sent an email. to them. And what you see here is I auto-populated it in the time zone. So here you can see it's 2 p.m. Eastern time, the 8th of March, and that's a different time in my time zone, which is UTC +7 now. It's already done Friday and 2 a.m. So the users don't have to think about the time zones, and that's very powerful. And I'm going to show you this video actually, and how you can set this up for you, for your messenger bot as well in the course, in this live training. And I send the video as a bonus. So this is really powerful, and yeah, you can just have a call to action, you can carry on the conversation. There are so many ways you can go at it. You can have follow-ups, prepping them for your event, and helping them, oh yeah, just join this event, it's gonna be so powerful, so cool, whatever. You can do your magic there. What I want to do now is to check for the email, if it's sent or not, because it should be already in here. And as you can see, here's in the promotion. That's a really good demonstration why I'm not really that fan of email marketing as of now, because you have to be aware of it, that it's probably not going to land in the primary email address, even though I cleaned it up nicely for you. So you can see clearly if this one email arrives, and yeah, basically it landed in the promotion tab. So it's a really good demonstration here. And yeah, basically the email is already there, and I didn't type anything. I just clicked on the button. Alright guys, I don't want to talk anymore. I'm so excited about this. So if you see it on time, you can join this, and I will also share with you how you can have this in your bot, how can you have this functionality in your messenger marketing campaigns. And if you watch it after the live stream, I will still have this link activated, and I will share the video with you, so you can learn it later on as well. Alright, if you have any questions about this or anything else regarding messenger marketing, just hit me up in the comments below. Yeah, talk to you later. See you. Thanks.